What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Rustomod. We have been working on our Sasquatch project, but we're going to take a little bit of a break and go on a road trip to a C10 show called C10 Fall Revival. One of my favorite C10 shows of the year. It's in North Carolina, so we are going to be making the road trip all the way down there, hanging out with some friends and just having a good time, showing you guys the awesome show. It's a really good time, so I'll take you guys along on the road trip down. It's about 400 miles from where we are, but we're not doing it alone. We're gonna meet up with some buddies and make the road trip down, convoy down there, and see what happens on the road. So we're gonna be taking our C60, our 1966 C60 that is chassis swapped onto a mid-2000s Silverado. Should be pretty reliable. We've driven it about 5,000 miles since we built this thing, so I don't really have too many fears, but you never know what's gonna happen. So let's hit the road, meet up with our buddies, and see what happens along the way. So we are at Kyle Fannin C10 Club Maryland's headquarters with a bunch of buddies that we're going to be driving all the way down to North Carolina for Fall Revival with. Let me show you a quick look around of some of the trucks he's got here. Pretty cool stuff. So this square body and this square body are actually our buddy Jesse Norris's truck, who I originally bought the C60 from. So it's pretty cool. Come around full circle. And then the crew cab square body is Kyle's truck that he's driving down there. Crew cab Karen with the Detroit steel wheels. He also has a bunch of really cool old fire trucks too. And then across the street, Southern Maryland square body YouTube channel. He is also driving with us down on this trip. So we got a whole convoy. So it should be a really fun time. I'm excited actually more to just drive down there and have a really fun road trip. So we're gonna hit the road, meet up with some more friends and show you guys how it is. Hopefully we don't have any breakdowns or anything, but with all these old trucks driving down there, something's probably gonna happen. We got 3 square bodies, 1 square body towing another square body, and then Southern Maryland square bodies behind us. So we're the odd man out, but still should be a fun time. We made it to Fall Revival. It really wasn't that bad of a drive. It's about 4 hours from where we are. Well, from where we met everybody. Not really a bad drive, 400 miles or so. So we got the C60 here, Southern Maryland square body, C10 Club Maryland, and my buddy Jesse Norris. We're all in good shape. Made it down in one piece. We didn't really have any big issues, just some small carburetor problems, but we're gonna have a fun time this week. So we're unloading all the trucks and stuff, and then we're gonna head over to the Airbnb. We're gonna spend the night and hit it in the morning. So we'll see you guys tomorrow for day 1 of Fall Revival. we have the C60 parked up here at, of course, the Sweet Patina booth. Love these guys. We are parked up here. I'll show you guys the Sweet Patina booth and some of the other cars parked at the booth here as well. Then we're gonna go around and show you guys all the awesome trucks at C10 Fall Revival 2025. So let's get it. This has a Duramax swap on a Super Duty chassis. Pretty interesting, but four-wheel drive. Looks really cool. Awesome patina. Duramax in a Super Duty with a Chevy cab. That is what I like. Different. That's pretty cool. All right, so that's gonna do it for the first day of Fall Revival. We are heading to a little behind the scenes shoot that we're gonna do with United by Trucks with the C60. We got everybody loaded on the back right now, and we're gonna do a little feature video of the C60. So you guys will have to check that out when it comes out, but should be a fun time. But we're going to see if there's anything else going on today. If not, tomorrow is the big day, the main day for Fall Revival. So should be fun. We'll see you guys then. This is the big day, and we are outside waiting to get in, and you can see all the trucks behind me waiting to get into this event. It's going to be a good day. There's going to be a lot of guys here, so I'm excited. So let's get in there, park up, and show you guys what's here. All right, guys, well, we have had an awesome time here at C10 Fall Revival, hanging out with the Sweet Patina guys and a bunch of you guys that stopped by to say hey, checking out the C60 in person. But we got to get back to the shop and get back to work on some new projects. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the shop in the next one.